So what is inside a handmade watch strap? Well, the answer is it really depends on who made it and what materials they use. But let's take a look inside this one and see what we find. So I'm going to take a sharp knife, and from the center we're going to cut all the way down to the very tip. So we can see calf leather, and this one is 1mm, and it's gone all the way around and back down to the very tip. And there we have a thin lining. This is used to absorb water, sweat, and things like that to make a more comfortable strap for the wearer. We have our sizing holes, and then here we have our filler. So this stiffens and gives shape to the strap. It also gives a nice aesthetic as it goes down to the stitches on the side. And as you can see on this particular strap, there's a layer of non-stretch tape going along and over the filler around the spring bar and then back through to about this point here. On the other end we have something very similar, so same amount of filler, same size, but you can see the cross section here. We have our keeper, which has been cut in half, and we have the same leather, so it's a calf leather, and then the lining on this particular one is a pigskin because it's very, very absorbent and very comfortable. So that is what's inside this strap. Now all we have to do is glue it back together and give it back to the owner.